How to sign in on Peacock. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can sign in on Peacock, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically sign in on Peacock, all you have to do is open up the Peacock TV application on your mobile, smartphone, tablet, TV or wherever. If you have not created an account, you can tap on Pick a Plan option to create an account. If you already have an account, you can just tap the sign in option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address associated with your Peacock account. Similarly, also make sure to enter your password. Then tap the sign in option. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can just tap on the I button here to view your current password, or you can tap the forgot password option in order to reset them. That's all it takes to sign in on Peacock. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.